Hello students. So let's continue with the I/O interfacing. Let's see an example problem. So it can be asked like design a system with 8 LEDs connected to the lower 8 bits of the data bus of 8086. The LEDs must switch on and off with a delay of 1 second between each switching action. Okay, so you need to connect 8 LEDs to the lower 8 bits of data bus, that is D0 to D7. Then LEDs, and you should also write a program. You should make the LEDs switch on and off with a time delay of 1 second. So let's see how we can do this one. So first, hardware part, like how these LEDs are connected to the processor. So as I said, like we have seen in the previous video, what you need here, you need a latch. Okay, so the generally used latch is 74LS373. This is the latch used, which has got one active high enable input. So this is okay, and it will have outputs Q0 to Q7. So here is the data bus of the processor. So processors D0 to, because it is specified in the problem that lower 8 bits of the data bus of 8086 are to be connected. So D0 to D7 is given as input. Okay, at the output of this latch we connect LEDs. This is current limiting resistors. So 8 LEDs are connected at the output in this manner. Okay, from Q0 to Q7, 8 lines. So this is 8-bit output. Okay, now remaining is how we select this particular chip, how the address is decoded. Okay, let us suppose I want the 8-bit, it's not specified here, 8-bit address of this output port. Let it be F0H. Okay, let us select F0H as the port address. Then F0H means it is 111000. This is the address A0 to A7. So this is to be decoded and this chip must be selected. Okay, so I can use a simple NAND decoder. If I take a NAND decoder, all inputs must be high here, for the output must be low. Okay, all inputs must be high. Already A7, A6, A5, A4, these are all high. And these are all low. So with an inverter I gave here A0, A1, A2, A3. A0, so when these 4 are low and these 4 are high, that means if this address is present on these lines, all the inputs to this NAND gate will be high, so that output will be low. One more signal which is to be decoded is I/O write. So here I/O write bar. So this will be low. I want here, this is active high signal. When these two are low, OR gate output will be low. But I want high, so I can take NOR gate here. So here it will be when these two are low, output will be high, which is connected to the enable pin of this chip. Okay, so this is how we can do the decoding logic for the given for the taken address. Now let's write the program. Here it is given LEDs must switch on and off with a delay of 1 second between each switching action. So first we need to send to on all the LEDs, because this is positive is connected here, positive. Okay, when all the outputs Q0 to Q7, when they are 1, this LED will glow. Okay, so for on the data must be FFH, and for off the data must be 00H. So this must be sent to the output port to make the LEDs on and off. First let us send FFH to make them on. So move, in the out instruction you cannot write the data directly. Okay, move this FFH to AL register, then out AL to what is the address of the output port. We have selected the address as F0H. F0H. So with this instruction, FF will be sent to this port address, that means to this, so that in AL you have all ones, so all the LEDs will be on. So once they are on, I want again the LEDs to be off between these two. If you just write 00H, you cannot make out when they are on and off, because the processor speed will be that much. So you need a delay. It is asked to give a delay of 1 second so that it is visible to your eyes. Okay, delay of 1 second. Okay, so call delay. This is a procedure which must be there. This program also you must write delay program for 1 second as a procedure. Okay, as a sub program, and you should call that program. That I am not showing here, the program for the delay. Already I have discussed the delay program, how to write a software delay. Okay, you can just go and watch that video to know how to write this delay program. Okay, so call delay. Then after that 1 second delay, you want the LEDs to be off. So write the data 00H to AL register. Then out this, send this data to output device whose address is F0H. Okay, then again, because it must be each switching action, that means it is continuous on and off with a delay of 1 second. So call delay again for 1 second. Put this one in loop. Okay, you can say jump to start. This is the label where again FF. Okay, so if this program gets executed, as far as this program is getting executed, the LEDs will be on and off with a delay of 1 second. So this is how you can connect LEDs using simple decoding logic. And remember, at the output, to connect the output device to the processor, latches are required.